2, 1. Straight crest, 150.
Yeah, that's the one.
Yes, we're back on.
Come on.
We're back on. I can't turn the base, bro. So what's going on, Gas Gang? Today we are back with an absolutely crazy video. We have been invited down by Inspa Rally team and Rory Bell to go out on a gravel stage in a BRC rally car. Guys, this is going to be absolutely crazy, and they are trusting me with a very, very important role. Guys, stay tuned for this one. You do not want to miss it. Let's get it. Welcome to Officially Gas. Let's get it.
Hey yo, Black Friday madness with Sugarcoat right now with a whopping 30% off everything in their product range. But be quick, they're selling out fast. Don't miss out, use the code BF30, links are in the description, thank me later.
Right guys, so as the intro said, we are here with Inspa Rally team and the main man, Rory Bell. Thank you for having me back again, brother.
Thank you for coming. Well, I'm surprised you came.
I know.
I'm happy here.
Do you know what the thing is? After everyone watched the last video, you know, I feel like everyone took to it. I got an appetite for rallying. And today, you know, we're at a different surface. That was tarmac.
This one is very much not tarmac. A lot of gravel, a lot of slippy stuff, a lot of dirty stuff, and you're going to be in charge today.
Yeah, that's the scary thing. But before we get into that, I just want to say congratulations once again, brother, because big win yesterday, right?
Big win, 4 back-to-back podiums in the British Rally Championship. So we're living on a high right now. Living on a high.
Serious team. Bro, tell us, or tell the people at home why I hold such an important role today.
Well, firstly, you're going to have to get out of this rain and get in that car very quickly. But what you're going to be doing is holding some pace notes. Max, my co-driver, has a bit of a sore throat. He's not sitting in the car. And Jamie, you are going to be in charge of taking me around this venue. I've been here many, many years ago. You've never been here. No pressure. If you get it wrong, there's a bill.
Guys, there's a bill. Bill it to, not me. Guys, this is a serious thing here, because if you know about co-drivers, they hold such an important role when it comes to rallying. They are literally your eyes, really, right?
Absolutely. They dictate everything I'm supposed to be doing. They give me instructions of exactly how I should be driving the corner to the nearest couple miles an hour. So it's a very important role. It can't be messed. And when people mess up, when my co-drivers make mistakes,
it goes wrong, right? Badly.
Yeah, let's not dwell on that. You know, let's just get in the car, let's get out of this, and let's get going, because yeah, you're right.
Guys, this is going to be insane. I have never seen what a pace note even looks like. We're just going to get thrown in at the deep end, and then we're going to do some other cool stuff after that. It's wet, it's cold, it's
Wales.
It's Wales. Perfect for rallying. Should we do it? Let's go. We're back. We are back.
Do some seatbelts. We are certainly back now.
This is incredible.
I'm looking at this and I don't even know what it means. So I'm going to hand this to you. These are the pace notes. 6 pages of pace notes.
6 pages, brother.
Yeah, so, I mean, let's work on maybe just being on the same page at the right time.
How would I know what page to be on?
Well, how do we start that? Into flat 3 right and crest, late flat 3 left line. You got that, yeah? I know you do.
Guys, look at this. This is hieroglyphic. Like, honestly, this is worrying. Like, if I get this wrong, things could go wrong.
You won't get it wrong though, will you?
Oh, guys, honestly, this is hieroglyphics. I don't even know what this is. I'm sorry, all
right. We're going to take it. I'm going to have to take it easy. I'm going to be bearing that in mind when I'm driving. I'm going to be driving on site.
Okay.
There's a couple blind things, so I want to make sure you get the blind stuff out.
What?
They've normally got a care around them, so hopefully you pull the word care.
No, mate, I have. Guys, honestly, I'm sorry in advance.
You don't need to be sorry. You're all over this. It'll be absolutely fine.
Oh my god! And guys, this is race car to the back.
Hold on. We're just going to warm up a little bit.
Okay. Let's go, Rory. Yes.
Right.
This is insane. So we start from here. All right, bro. So we're going to start with straight, free, right.
That's the one. Look, I mean, you're...
That's all I know. I'm giving it a big one.
Right.
Guys, this is insane. I don't even know.
Party mode's on.
Party mode. Let's go.
Launch control.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Go.
Okay, straight. Free, right.
You haven't done that. Go.
Okay, crest. Free, L8. Oh, 60. Dip.
Are we stopping?
Stop. Oh,
Yep.
RC 80. Oh my god, bro. Slow right-hander in slippery. It says.
Long distance. I want a distance.
Okay.
What's on the top? Is it left or
Oh
right?
my god. So we are going right. Oh my god, bro.
Right.
I don't know.
There's an arrow going left.
I don't even know where. Oh,
What have we got now?
right. I do not know. B. Stop. 80.
Yeah, maybe.
80.
There's a right-hander.
Early. Oh, bro. I'm sorry, man. Oh my. Oh, you.
Now, I'm just following the road. The road looks like it's going to be a tight right.
Late. 4 right. Half.
Yeah.
Oh my god. 40.
Right, there's a straight, there's a crest.
Okay, straight crest. 150.
Yeah, that's the one.
Yes, we're back on.
Come on.
We're back on. I can't turn the brakes, bro.
Oh my god.
Oh, pressure. I can't turn the brakes. Oh my god. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry, bro. Right, 200 crest. Slippery right.
Yeah, we just missed that.
Oh.
Right, well, what's the next one?
Left 80.
Yep.
Right.
Oh, we've got flat.
I'm so sorry, bro. Early 6 left.
Oh,
And dip.
you're on it.
One. Plus 3 left.
I don't know why I'm
Zigzag line, I don't know what that means. 40.
right. Okay, I'm guessing zigzag probably means left to the right.
Okay, two right crest. Oh my god, bro. How are you even doing this? Okay. Okay. 40 L slide.
Yeah, we've done that.
Oh god. Okay, slow 3 left.
Slow.
Slow 3 left.
It's not slow. It's
Oh.
fast.
Oh my god, bro. This is just intense. I don't even know how you're doing this. I'm so sorry. 4 right bump 80.
Yep.
Yeah? Oh my god, we're back! I don't even know how to do
What's
this.
going on?
Okay, so jump! 60 left! Oh my god! And we're on to the next page, last page, bro. We're left slippery.
Lovely.
4 closes,
Yeah, but
2 right half, zigzaggy line. Still don't know what that one means.
I know this is the finish line down here, so
Oh, this is finished?
mate, that was class.
Oh my god!
You actually told me where
Mate,
I was
I
going.
don't even know how I got through. Guys, honestly,
How did you find the corners?
I don't even know. Honestly, bro. I looked up every so often, and we're just going sideways through the craziest terrain, guys. This is incredible. And bro, I am so sorry for my lack of co-piloting skills, co-driving skills, but what an experience, bro.
Tell you what we're going to do.
Yeah.
You're going to have a quick lesson with Max.
Okay.
Tell you what those SQLs mean. I knew what you were saying.
What's the zigzag mean, bro?
Where's the zig?
There's a zigzaggy
Look,
thing.
Max has, I think he, to be honest, I actually don't know what does that mean. You're going to have a quick conversation with Max.
Okay.
Get him to explain some things, and then, okay, we've driven off fairly good with no vision.
Okay.
Or with just vision.
Well, we can do better.
So now,
We missed the bloody corner, bro.
well,
I'm
let's
so
try
sorry.
and make up. Look, it's 4 or 5 miles. See if we can make up some time.
Okay.
We'll do it for straight time. See how much your input, your note calling affects our run.
Bro, let's go.
Let's do that.
Wicked.
Okay, good luck. I'll see you in 5 minutes.
Let's go. All right, guys, so you've just seen that, me make a meal of trying to be a co-pilot or co-driver. And Max, I take my hat off to you, mate.
It's not an easy job.
It is not an easy job. Guys, Max is the co-driver down here at Inspira Rally Team. And brother, these are hieroglyphics to me. I mean, tell us the importance of your role and how you navigate through. It's just...
Yeah, so before the rally, we all get the opportunity to drive over the roads to see what we're going to come across on the event. And the job of a co-driver is to give the driver all the information that he needs to describe the road, because you can't memorize this thing. We're not going around a racetrack, so you're not going to memorize this stuff. So in here, we've got some hieroglyphics that describe the road to the driver, and here we've got a 3rd degree corner, and it's a right-hand bend. And then
So when you say degrees of...
So severity.
Severity.
So one would be very fast,
Okay.
and a 6 would be very tight.
Got ya. Okay.
And then distances 80 or 130 is the distance we've got between each corner.
Okay. I'm still clueless.
Yeah.
Do you know what? Because everything's coming at you so fast, it's just, for me, it's a bit overwhelming.
Yes.
And I've got this pad, I'm reading things I don't really know what they mean,
Yes.
and everything's happening very quickly. But I guess composure is something you have to keep. You have to be clear and, you know?
Cool, calm, clear, and most of the time I don't get the opportunity to look out the windscreen, because the detail in here, you just feeling the road and knowing where you are to go to the next bit.
Yeah. And I'd assume if you get it wrong, if you call a note wrong, it could end in...
It's disaster. If
Yeah.
I tell Rory the wrong information, then there's a good chance we're going to crash. So
That's insane.
yeah.
And these guys are trusting me going co-pilot. It's insane. So I think what we're going to do now is we're going to have a little bit of time together. You're going to talk me through everything in a little bit more detail. I'm going to write up some notes in my writing so they're easier to decipher.
Yeah.
And I'm going to give it another shot and try to not kill us.
Yeah. Let's go for it. Let's do
All right,
it.
Max, let's do it, bro.
Yes.
Cool, man.
Now you're a co-driver.
Uh-huh.
I need you to hold the start button down for about 2 seconds,
Okay.
and then flick the ignition while you're still holding it down. So you're
Now?
like, hold, yeah, go on.
Ready? Oh my God.
You're in. We're in business.
Oh my God. I'm available for the next, proper competition.
Proper rally. All right, that's good to know. I mean, Max is just there. I mean,
Sorry, Max.
You're probably putting the pitch right in under his nose. but
What
there you
happens
go.
if I'm really, really good? Do I,
Should we cross that bridge?
once we come back and we're not on our roof, yeah? Okay, cool. So, yes, guys, this is absolutely insane. A massive shout out to Max. He's been helping me through and coaching me through my directions, my pace notes, and I've written my own, so hopefully you guys can see it there. And I am going to give this my best shot, bro. I really want this to work because I was terrible before, and I want to give this a good shot.
We were a bit close to things last time. I really could do with it working this time too.
Yeah.
It's a lot of very tiny handwriting.
Yeah, I know. That's the only thing. I've done my handwriting very neat, and he was laughing at me because he was like, when you're doing all this in the car, you're not going to be able to read it. But
let's see. I'm not going to write it off. I'm
Fingers
definitely
crossed.
not going to write it off.
you're not going to write the car off, or you're not going to write my skills off.
Yeah, both.
Bit of both.
Right.
Fingers crossed.
Okay.
All right, bro. All right. I hope this goes right.
What I need you to do, I need you to count me in from 15. I have a sequence.
Okay.
Not many people know about it. We're going to reveal it today.
Okay. All
Okay,
right.
we have a sequence. I have a sequence.
Okay.
First gear on 10, stage mode on 7,
Okay.
control on 5, full throttle on 3, 2, 1, go.
You want me to do that?
All you have to do is count from 15.
Okay. Tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready.
15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Into 3 right and crest, 3 left. 60 over dip, stop right over crest, 80, slot square right.
Hey, that was perfect. That's exactly where I'm going.
130, flat brow, stop 80, crest square left.
I feel like I'm in a rally. I don't stop talking.
This is insane, Rory. 100, full right, 4 left, flat right, 60, 4 right, long, 40, 5 right, over crest, 150. Flat crest, 200, slot square right.
Honestly, mate, you're disrespecting go drivers globally.
60, left, tightens, 6.
Or maybe Max is just the best team in the whole world. I think we should say that.
Rory, it's all the driver, it's all the driver.
No, it's not. It's a
60, flat left, 80, flat right, 130, stop crest, 60, square right. Am I behind or am I ahead?
Perfect.
Okay.
Literally,
Look
I
at
have
this.
nothing to say.
130, stop crest, into square left.
This is perfect.
Come on. 60, 6 right. 3 left long. 40, 2 right, over crest. Stop 60, hairpin left.
Hold on, we've had a bit of a shocker.
Oh no, am I way off?
No, it's alright, I need to catch up with you.
Okay,
Alright.
okay.
We've got the 60.
I'm too efficient.
Too good at your job.
So is this the 60 left?
This is the 6 left.
The 6, okay, 6 left. I am a little bit lost now. 40, flat left over crest.
That's the one.
40, 3 left and 4 right, 80.
I was a little bit late, but
Oh, sorry, brother.
I can see it.
Sorry, brother. Oh my God, I'm panicking again. I can't turn the page.
come on, get there.
Flat jump 60,
And again, and
jump
again, and again.
60, 3 right and 3 left,
Yeah.
60, 5 right,
my God.
6 left. Let's go, Rory. 3 right, 80 over crest,
Yeah, we're back on.
flat right, stop 130, square left. Let's go, let's go. 60, 4 left, slippery, 2 right, 80, over finish, let's go, come on. I'm too quick, I'm too
Mate,
quick.
no, that's
Was
perfect.
it perfect?
Yeah.
Rory, we made it, brother! We made it!
Oh my God,
mate,
right,
this
that's
is
it.
insane. Oh, bro, honestly, I know I was just embracing everything there, but guys, I want you to know how much of an experience this is, and what you guys have done for me today is amazing. He's amazing. I said back there, it's all the driver. It obviously isn't. It's the co-driver. I mean, when it's me in it, it probably is all the driver. But massive shout out to Max also, the co-driver here, bro. You guys are legends. Look at that. All right, guys. So we've just got back after the ride of my life. Co-pilot levels have been set, and I just want to thank you guys, the whole team. I mean, you guys, they're too kind to me. I mean, I love these kind of experiences, and to even get to sit co-pilot or passenger
What?
even.
No, slow down. You were busy. You were busy in there. There were some good pace notes.
was
Very
trying.
good. You know, everything actually was perfect. There was a small hiccup.
was a
Right.
small hiccup.
Should have been a left. It's
Tomato,
okay.
tomato, isn't it? Like,
You know what? We'll let it go. We'll let it go.
Yeah.
But as you said, Inspirwell, BVNK, Near Protocol, Client Positive, everybody has made this happen, and a massive thank you.
no,
It's been
bro,
great
honestly, it's my pleasure. And now I've got a new respect for, you know, the co-driver's role. I mean, it's a very important role. You know, things can seriously go wrong if you get it wrong. And yeah, for you guys to trust me and actually give me this experience is just, yeah, is epic. And I hope everyone's kind of, you know, learned a little bit today with me, like, you know. So,
We're going to take it one step more though.
okay,
We've trusted you.
okay,
We're going to trust you properly. Next
okay.
step,
What's the next step?
driver's seat,
No way.
left-hand drive.
Okay, okay,
But. We need some subscribers.
okay,
We need some likes.
okay,
You set the like bar. I'm going to call them over to subscribe to Arbel Rally.
Okay.
Follow me on Instagram, Arbel Rally.
yep.
Facebook, Arbel Rally. Twitter.
Arbel Rally.
Thank you very much.
There you go. In fact, let me tell them what to do right now. We want 5,000 plus likes on this
Come on,
video.
go on. 6.
6,000 plus likes on this video. We need you guys, the Gas Gang, to get over to Arbel Rally Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, subscribe, follow, do all of that and make it happen. I want to drive this bad boy. Guys, it would be epic, so let's do it once again.
Comment one thing though. Gravel
Okay.
or tarmac? What do you want?
You decide, gravel or tarmac.
That's the
What do
one.
you want to see? Guys, do all of that. And if you have enjoyed today's video, don't forget to obviously smash subscribe on this channel. And once again, to everyone involved, we out. We just found the beginning of the rainbow. Telling me that isn't the beginning of the rainbow? Bro, we should go and see if there's a pot of gold there. That is literally, physically, the beginning of the rainbow.